So welcome to the fourth video in the list of the most useful car gadgets and accessories which you can buy under the price bracket of 500 rupees. So in case if you have missed my previous 3 videos, you can just check down on the description. You'll find the link right there along with all the purchase links for all the accessories which I've shown in my previous videos as well. So in this video, we'll be taking a look at the top 7 gadgets and accessories which you can buy for your car right now. So before you watch the rest of this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel, make sure you like this video and share this video with all your friends who love some car gadgets and accessories. You're watching Gizmobeep, let's get started. Starting off with the first accessory, this is the car dashboard anti-slip mat with a phone holder. Now this comes at a price of about 385 rupees and you can also get this in 2 different colors. This is made up of PVC silicone material. It's very soft to touch. It has this chessboard pattern finish and of course it also gets some raised borders and raised edges so that it makes sure that nothing falls off the mat. This mat is completely washable, reusable and the phone holder is 360-degree rotatable. So multiple items can be kept on the mat and you can also mount your phone in both portrait and landscape mode and turn it around to whichever angle you like. You also get additional stickers which you can stick at the bottom of the pad to make sure that it adheres well to the dashboard. The phone mount itself comes separate from the mat, so you just have to peel off the sticker and attach to the pad. But if you don't want to use the phone holder, you can use it as it is. Now this anti-slip mat feels and looks much more premium than the price it trends at, and this is a definite must-have accessory for every car dashboard. Moving on to the next product in this list, this is a car gear knob protector. Now this comes at a price of less than 200 rupees and you get this in 2 different colors. Now this prevents scratches and any kind of a damage to the gear knob. You get this in a soft silicone material which is very easy and comfortable to hold, and this also gets a non-slip design pattern along with the fact that this is a completely washable and a reusable product. So if you want to protect your car's gear knob from damages or scratches, or maybe some kids might be tampering with the gear knob, just use this gear knob protector which gives you a good look, protects the gear knob and of course comes at a super budget price of less than 200 bucks. Make sure to check out its link in the description below. Moving on to the next product in this list, this is a solar powered car air freshener. Now this looks very futuristic and is kind of a decorative material for your car. So this purely works on solar energy, so whenever you're driving in bright sunlight, the helicopter blades will start rotating all by themselves as soon as they get power from the sun's energy. You also get a small aroma oil bottle within the box along with droppers. So just open up the pack, put the aroma oil inside and you can make this work as an air freshener as well. Now this is one super cool decorative accessory which the kids will definitely love. Moving on to the next product in this list, coming in under the price bracket of 500 rupees. So this is the 5-piece car cleaning kit. You get a long cleaning brush, you get a short handle cleaning brush, you get a soft cloth and you also get a mini brush to clean your AC vents and you also get a medium sized brush to clean out the rest of the surfaces. This is probably one of the most value for money cleaning kit that's available out there. The long handle brush is very useful to access those areas which are generally non-accessible due to their far reach, and the short handle is even better so you can clean off the closer areas and take away all the dust. The medium sized and the mini brush, you can use them to clean out your AC vents, your car system, your steering wheel, and the soft cloth is always helpful to wipe off the dust from the glass surfaces. Coming under the price bracket of 500 rupees, this is definitely worth checking out, and if you're someone who prefers to keep your car spotless, this is one value for money kit you should be investing in. Talking about keeping the car clean, the next product on the list coming under the price bracket of about 350 rupees is the trash bin for cars. Now the advantage of this trash bin is that this can be hung either on the rear seat or even in the driver or the passenger side seat where you generally keep the bottles. This has an auto closing lid, which means any bad odor or any bad smell which might be coming from the waste can get completely sealed off within the dustbin. You can easily remove this and place it back to its original position, and it's very accessible. The size is just right and the build quality is also quite good and will be sufficient for a family car. So the next time when you go out in your car and you're eating chocolates, you're eating chips and other stuff, don't throw those wrappers outside the window onto the road. Just put them in the dustbin and you can dispose of them later on when you reach back home. Moving on to the next product in this list, I'm talking about the PU leather armrest with side pockets. Now this is a very well designed armrest which goes on top of your existing car armrest. It's made up of a very fine PU leather material. It gets side pockets on both the sides. It also gets straps at the bottom, so you can easily attach it to your pre-existing car armrest. Now this is made up of a non-slip design. This is also waterproof, has a breathable material, and it protects your armrest along with providing you elbow comfort while taking your car on a long drive. The two side pockets on either side will definitely help you in keeping your smartphone, your keys, or your parking chits. I mean, this is one cool accessory which you can definitely check out. Moving on to the last product in this list, this is the universal phone holder. So this isn't just applicable to your car. You can use this either in your home, your office, in your kitchen, in your bathroom, but in your car as well. You can stick it on the dashboard. The good thing being this is a 360-degree rotatable design. You can put your smartphone in a portrait or a landscape mode, easily take it out, and it also holds the phone very firmly well. Coming at a price of less than 200 rupees, this phone holder is made up of silicone. It has an adjustable base and it's also anti-slip. So you can use this phone holder in multiple places and not just in your car, and definitely will be a value for money addition if you are looking for a place to keep your smartphone. So this was the list of the top 7 car gadgets and accessories which you can buy under the price bracket of 500 rupees. And as I said previously, this was the 4th part in the series. And in case if you have missed my previous 3 videos showcasing a lot more accessories, just check down on the description. I'll give you the link for those videos and all the list of the accessories as well. So no matter which of these gadgets and accessories which you are interested to buy, all the purchase links are given in the description below. Just click down, click on the link and go ahead and buy it for yourself. I'll be bringing up many more interesting car gadgets and accessories videos in the future. So in order to make sure that you don't miss those videos, go ahead, hit that subscribe button of my channel right now, smash that like button and share this video with all your friends who love some car gadgets and accessories. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.